Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? And in our previous video, we showed you the account logic based system in which we converted our bank statement PDF into Excel sheet. And uh, it has got some additional, not only the conversion of the data from PDF to Excel, but it provides you uh, the facility to query your data about any, say, any customer or any pay from to whom you have paid. So you have a ledger facility and you have a GL account master list and which provides you the summary, line-wise summary, right? And these zeros are important, the top one, right? These zeros are telling that these are reconciled. Means the total coming in here in front of each account, it agrees with what we have in the uh, running total sheet, in which the debit and credit of each transaction is listed and the account is marked in here. So these accounts are summarized in the GL master list, and this is actually summary. You can drill down using the ledger that how these amounts are. So you can further do it using in the ledger facility, right? And these zeros are telling you that these are reconciled. You can test it. If, for example, you remove these thing, for example, you say, so you will find a difference of it because uh, uh, there is some, the total is not matching and the total is like that. So immediately when you have some, what will you do? You will look for any cell which is not having this formula. Just copy that formula bottom, and then you will see two things happen. First, the totals of debit and credit will come in place. Also, these verification will tell you whether it is verified or not. If it is verified, the zero would come. If it is not verified, means it is not reconciled, then there will be some values here. Therefore, how much difference is causing uh, uh, the discrepancy, right? Okay, so in this session, we are going to show you the account logic thing, means so that you are aware. Especially the Mizan Bank people would enjoy it, means, and they would love to see that how this account logic is. It's a simple thing, two column, right? Just two column, right? And in which let's freeze this information so that you know we are in what column, right? So we go to view and we freeze this thing so that you know that which column we are talking about, right? We are talking about the first search term one. This is search term two. And in-nesting is used because we are showing you the usage of in-nesting function. It's a very useful function, which provides you to compare the two strings, that whether the string two is a part of the string one or not, right? So this is if it is a part of the string one, then which point it is starting. Some numeric value will come. If it is returning zero, it means the string two is not available. No such a string found in string one, right? As a part of string one. So this is to show you that let's remove this and see what happened to our step three. You know, we have the step one, step two, and step three, right? In the step three, it makes the DB sheet like that, right? And it marks the account. What goes wrong if as soon as if you remove an account? I mean, I'm removing the last one just to make you show, just to show you that how it works, right? So just forget and just suppose that we have removed an important account from this account logic, and we run the step three. So mm, let let me show you without removing this. If we don't remove it and we run the step three, it will run and no problem will come, right? Because the things are reconciled, matching, cross-checked, verified. So no issue would be reported. But if you go to the account logic and remove one account, and so the step three would uh, would detect some discrepancy would detect some issue that an account is not found. Right? So, and which account is not found, it will tell you. Right? For example, you let's remove this. We remove this account, and now we run the step 3. So this time it will not, it will stop as soon as it encounters some account not available in the account logic. So it will ask you to enter the account, and it will suggest you in the description and to make the changes. Yeah. So this is the count, which is a reversal entry by JS, and we it is suggesting you that you what should be the account description. Of course, the account description should not include any such numerical transactional code or transaction code, etc. Okay, so we make it shorten, and this is our account description which we want to add into the account logic and master key, right? So let's type in here, right? And we the search term 2 should be also like this, right? Search term 2. This is search term 2, okay? Search term 3 you do not need because it's not a complex account, and you don't need, so just null, enter the null in any subsequent thing. So it has completed the account logic part. It has added an account, and it has added an account in here, but there is a 2 because that was already there. So that's why you this 2 is telling you that you straight away delete it because this record already exists. So you don't have. If you don't do this, the system will cause a discrepancy because let me show you. If you don't do this and you apply this summation formula to it, so note down that on the zeros, what would happen? It will cause a difference, right? It will cause a difference in the term. So these should be 0. If it is not 0, so it means there is a reconciliation error. Right? So this is how it is done. Since the account is already there, you don't need to add it. The system added it. It should not add, but it has you figure out it yourself, and it can be done automatically. But for the moment, we leave it like this. Okay, just for the understanding that this is the account logic uh, which is used here, that as soon as you remove an account which is already involved in the data, and you remove that account from the account logic, it will, and you run the step 3, the system will alert you that you need to enter an account in there. And as soon as you enter the account and the search term, so the GL master list will be updated, right? Also, we have shown you that these zeros are important, that these should remain 0. If there is some value coming in here, that indicates that your summary is not reconciled with your database, right? So the summary should have no difference with the database, right? So any removal of this entry will cause the summary disturb, right? You see the system, the summary is disturbed, right? If you remove any other, say you remove this and these figures, so the things will keep on piling up, right? So what you need to do is the resolution is that all you need to do is copy this formula here so that it will automatically adjust. Not only the figures will come in here, but also the verification will also be showing you that it's successfully done. Okay, so this is an update about our this Mizan Bank statement system, which is very useful for the users who have to deal with the Mizan Bank statements, so they can quickly convert them into Excel and do the analytics. Right. Thank you very much for watching.